Today I will talk about two OLED TV in this video, so keep watching the video for details. Firstly, design. Dimensions 987 into 1.72 into 10.2 mm and 982.9 into 1.72 into 10.2 mm. Weight 25 kg and 40.1 kg. Mounting hole pattern 300 into 300 mm and 400 into 300 mm. Maximum operating temperature 35 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius. Tuners DVB T2 S2 C Europe and attached 3.0 USA DVB T2 S2 C Europe. Special features: 3-side Ambilight Next Gen, swivel stand, rechargeable remote, USB-C, IMAX Enhanced, detach play FI wireless audio, and on-connect Integrala coating Game Bar 4.0 object tracking sound. Next, display. Display technology OLED. Panel type WOLED and QD OLED. Display size 55, 65, 77 inch Europe and 55, 65, 77 inch USA Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 120 Hz and 144 Hz. Video processor P5 AI Gen 7 and NQ4 AI Gen 2. Aspect ratio 16:9. Pixel density 57 ppi. Response time 5 ms and 1 ms. Display orientation landscape. Brightness 2100 nits and 1600 nits. Ambient light sensor yes. HDR formats HDR10, HDR10 Plus Adaptive, Hybrid Long Gamma, Dolby Vision. High gig yes. Next, connectivity. HDMI standard HDMI 2.1. Number of HDMI 4. USB ports 3 into USB A. Bluetooth 5.2. Wi-Fi 6 802.11 AX and Wi-Fi 5 802.11 AC. Ethernet 1 into RJ45. Next, Smart TV and apps. TV platform Google TV and Tizen. Version at launch 12 and 8.0. OS updates yes. AirPlay 2 yes. Voice assistants Google Assistant Alexa and Bixby Google Assistant Alexa. Speakers B&W 3.1 80 watt and 70 watt 4.2.2. HDMI ARC and EARC yes. Dolby Atmos yes. Dolby Digital Plus yes. Detach X yes and no. Detach Digital Surround yes. Detach HD yes.